Today, we're looking at how to use a viral meme to promote your products. This is All Bar One. They've got bars all over the country, and they use Instagram very much as a way of celebrating their food, their drinks, their teams, and of course, their customers. And they use quite a lot of user-generated content. But this one I absolutely love. So they have used a viral event, if you like, or a viral meme, which is absolutely massive. Everyone has used this. Like literally, I've seen personal trainers use it. I've seen bakers use it, and everyone in between. All Bar One are no different. This is a very famous one of one of the lovely Kardashians, Kourtney Kardashian, and this is her holding up a sign, and she's obviously got her pregnant belly there, looking amazing, and she's holding up a sign, and basically this went viral really, really quickly. It was a big image, and it's to her partner Travis. And what people have been doing is they have been superimposing another signpost, if you like, over the original sign. So here, what they've done is get me a Mackie bowl ASAP. And what they've done is they've literally superimposed it over the original one. And then they said, get the lady what she wants. All Bar One, Mackie bowl, Kourtney Kardashian, Travis Barker. So this got them really good engagement and some likes in comparison to some of their other ones. It's just a little bit different. They kind of jumped on the bandwagon, I guess, of what quite a lot of the other businesses have done. And I like it because basically what they're doing is they're promoting the fact that they sell Mackie bowls. And they're doing it in a way that's, inventive. It's keeping up with the current trends, and it's something that quite a lot of the other businesses have done. It kind of makes people both laugh, and it gets their attention. Now, if I was them, one of the things I'd want to do is stay really on top of my content and look out for things like maybe national days that I could keep like keep looking for, maybe like new fresh content like that. So I would go to my content calendar under maybe. And in here, not only can I schedule in all of my content, I can look at what the days of the week are in terms of any national days that are coming up. So you can see here, there's International Kissing Day, it's World Chocolate Day. Would there be any cool memes that All Bar One could do for World Chocolate Day? Could there be a hashtag that they could use? Could there be, which there would be, I think it would be hashtag World Chocolate Day, but it might be things like, could they celebrate by giving away, I don't know, a free chocolate dessert to the first 10 customers in each of their stores, for example, or each of their bars? That's the point, is that we've got these here to give them inspiration to come up with great new content. And then literally all they need to do is click in here, and then they can schedule it all in, and they can see it all looking lovely and colourful right across all of their social media. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.